Welcome. In this lesson, we're going to be going over the on-page optimization for content. So we're going to be diving into a single blog post, but the methodologies applied here are going to be applied to every URL across the entire website. So that means all blog posts, all blog post categories, all pages. If you have products, all product pages, category pages. If you have a plugin that has, if you installed a plugin that created a teams section where you can add team members and it looks similarly to what your blog posts or pages sections look like, we're going to add those as well. And for the purposes of actually showing you what I'm talking about in that regard, I'm going to switch over to my website real quick. But let's dive right in. So here is my website. Okay, so on the side here, I have locations, I have products, projects, services, web tools, but I also have pages and blog posts. Okay, so blog posts look like this. So do our pages, but all of these other things that are called a custom post type are also in here as well. You can see every one of them look the same, right? And so this is what I'm talking about when I say these other items. So every one of those you could apply these same methodologies to and do the on-page optimization for all of them. So we're looking at the content here. I'll just open up this one blog post. Okay, so before we get started, scroll all the way down to the bottom and look at our keywords. So here we have 4 keywords: business, credit, repair, and business credit repair. So I'm going to open those up or throw those into Google Keep real quick. Here we go. Business, credit, repair, business credit repair. Okay, it's important to remember this because this is where things get fancy. Okay, so we're going to delete 3 of these and just leave the last one, and then we're going to update our page. Now, the reason that we're doing this is so that we can check and refresh the analysis for all of this, because all of this checks everything that's entered in here. And if you have multiple keywords, it's not going to check all of them individually. It's going to check them all at once and give you an average, so to speak. So for business, we need some headings. We need an H3. Okay, cool. Let's go add an H3. Let's see. This one's our title, so this one should be an H2. Yep. Here we go. Let's turn this one into an H3 and then add our 3 words. Financial debt can lead to emotional stress, marital family issues, and difficulty in building and raising a successful business. That's why you need business credit repair. Boom. I'm going to hit all 3 of those at once. Actually, all 4 of them. Okay. Come back down, update, do our analysis, and now you can see the headings has disappeared. Meta robots. No archive is on. Search engines will not cache your page. Oops. I guess we got to go back and remove that setting. So SEO, where's that at? I think it's in advanced. It might be in tools. Let's check advanced. Okay. I don't see it. Appearance, security. Nope. Let's try tools. Nope, 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 nope. Where's it at? Start at the top, I guess. I gotta find it. It didn't tell me where it's at. Archives. Yep. There we go. So we're looking at titles and metas, advanced, and unchecked that no archived. Okay, now we can close that and we can refresh this page. Scroll back to the bottom. There we go. So now we just need, you can see that that has gone away now. So that's good. This page doesn't have any internal links from other content. So that's a contact us page. We want to find a page that talks about business credit repair. Here we go, credit repair. Is that, well, that's, make sure that's a good page first. There we go. Okay. So let's take that page and let's plug that in here. We want us to be in there. Instead of contact us, we'll put in our service page for that item. And let's go ahead and check that again. Internal links from other content. Let's try a blog post. Here we go. We'll copy this one, plug that one into. There we go. Update that one. And refresh analysis. Yeah, this internal links is hard to hit, but it's not actually picking it up right now, which is weird because it's supposed to. Nonetheless, we've done all that we can do without really debugging this, but we're looking pretty good. So next, we're going to pick up credits. So let's take out business, input credit, save, and refresh our analysis. Looks like we got the same thing. Cool. Let's hit repair, plug that in, update, and refresh our analysis. Same thing. Cool. Let's try all three of these. There we go. Update and refresh. Okay, we got a heading. We need an H2. Here we go. This is a good place. Business credit repair company. And you can see that that's actually gone away now. So business credit repair and update and do a final check. And now we are golden. So from a content perspective, this is checking all of the right boxes for us to leverage SEO for this blog post. So that's exactly what we're going to do for every URL. So for this website, we need 4 blog posts and 51 pages, or 35 are published. So about 40 times we're going to be doing this for this website. We don't have anything else and projects is empty. So Yep. We're going to be replicating this process 40 times. So if you have, 10 blog posts, 10 pages, and 100 products, then you're going to do this 120 times, right? So really, really, really do not get overwhelmed with the volume of how many times you have to repeat this process, because it's going to get very, very tedious. If it hasn't already gotten tedious, it will be. Okay. So please keep in mind that every page that you optimize is a step in the right direction. So don't try to do it all at once, especially if you have a large number of URLs to go through. What you should be doing is setting a goal, right? Let's say you have 100 URLs, and let's say you do have 120 URLs to go through. Okay, well, set a 4-month timeline, right? Do one a day. And the best way to do that and keep track of that is to actually not have keywords on everything until you actually go through and optimize it. That's actually a useful, very useful tool, is to not even plug in your keywords until it's time to, until you're actually optimizing that content. And so, yes, this is very tedious. And quite frankly, if we were on any other platform, this would be harder. And the reason why is because WordPress is the only place that has tools like this that available at this level. And it's sad, but it's true. So I know that you're going to be happy with that, but nonetheless, that covers our content section. So the next thing that we're going to be looking at is image optimization. So let's dive into the next one. See you guys there.